South African chemical and energy group Sasol has warned that its margins continue to face pressure due to the prevailing global macroeconomic pressures and geopolitical uncertainties. Now, in an update on the 9 months ending in March this year, the company revealed that it had reduced its coal production forecast for the current financial year, owing to ongoing quality problems affecting production at its Secunda operations. Production from its mining unit had been revised down to between 28 million tons and 30 million tons. The firm also revealed that revenue in international chemicals increased during the period. However, sales volumes declined, largely due to operational outages in America. And the world's biggest mining company by market value, BHP, reported a strong third quarter, resulting in record output of copper and iron ore for the 9 months ending in March. The miner's production of copper during the quarter climbed 10% to 1.5 million tons. It was boosted by a ramp-up in its operations in Chile. Meanwhile, output from its Australian iron ore projects was steady at 68 million tons. The miner has focused on expanding its copper production to meet future demand for a commodity considered key to the energy transition. It has continued its push to exit its coal assets, revealing this week it had received government permission to close a coal mine in Australia. The group also warned that Trump's tariff spree could trigger a global economic slowdown and challenge trade flows. An oil giant, BP, is bracing itself for a shareholder backlash at its annual general meeting this Thursday, as disgruntled investors look to voice their concerns over the firm's U-turn on its green strategy. Also, the meeting will address the re-election of outgoing BP chair Helge Lund. Seeking to rebuild investor confidence and boost near-term shareholder returns, BP in February pledged to slash renewable energy spending and increase annual oil and gas investments to $10 billion through 2027. The struggling energy major has lagged behind its more hydrocarbon-focused industry peers in recent years, and it is currently in the spotlight as a potential takeover target. And finally, Trump's tariffs are already hitting luxury consumers in the U.S. The French luxury group Hermès has announced that it plans to raise its U.S. prices from the start of May in order to offset the impact of tariffs. The company, which earlier this week overtook its rival LVMH as the world's biggest luxury firm by market cap, is best known for its Birkin and Kelly handbags. In its first quarter results, Hermès reported 11% sales growth in the Americas, which accounted for nearly 17% of its sales revenue in the first 3 months of the year. Its first quarter revenue growth came in at 7%. And that's a look at your corporate highlights this Thursday.